A Blackout Bingo tournament bracket that stays stuck is usually worth troubleshooting from the app, connection, and account side before you reinstall the game. By the end, you'll know the exact checks to make when the tournament bracket refuses to load, stops updating, or stays on the same screen. Start by closing Blackout Bingo completely. Don't just leave the app and return to it. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Blackout Bingo away. On Android, open the Recent Apps screen and dismiss it. Then launch the app again and check the tournament bracket. If the bracket is still frozen, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to a reliable Wi-Fi connection, and reopen Blackout Bingo. This helps identify whether the problem is connected to the current network. Next, check whether Blackout Bingo has a pending update. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android, search for Blackout Bingo, and look for an update button. Install the available update if one is shown, then restart the app. If you're on Android, clearing the app cache can also help with a tournament screen that won't refresh. Open Settings, find Apps, select Blackout Bingo, open Storage, and choose Clear Cache. Don't select Clear Data unless you understand that it can remove locally stored app information and require you to sign in again. On iPhone, there isn't a separate standard button for clearing an individual app's cache. If the app continues displaying an old or stuck tournament screen, you can use the iPhone's Offload app option under iPhone Storage, and then reinstall the app from there. Make sure your account is properly connected before taking any step that removes local app data. If the bracket loads but your position or tournament status isn't changing, avoid repeatedly entering or leaving the tournament. First close and reopen the app, and give the tournament screen another chance to synchronize. Also check whether other parts of Blackout Bingo are working. If the main game, account information, or other tournament screens are also failing to load, the problem may be broader than the bracket itself. If everything else works but one tournament bracket remains stuck, take a screenshot of the exact screen and contact Blackout Bingo support. Include the tournament name, what the bracket displays, and what happens when you try to refresh it. The practical order is simple: force close Blackout Bingo, change networks, check for an app update, clear the Android cache, if applicable, and then contact support if only the tournament bracket remains frozen. The key points are that restarting the app can refresh a stuck screen, changing networks can identify connection problems, and reinstalling should not be your first step. Try those checks in order before removing the app. If this fixed your Blackout Bingo tournament problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting fixes.